Chris and I have been staying with my family just out of Geelong for about the last month. In that time, Chris has done a few repairs on the car as well as refitting the whole canopy. And we've also had an opportunity to go see some things in the area, which has been good. Now we're going to start our travels again and start heading east. We're going to first head over to the other side of the bay and check out the diving there, and then head up the coast.
Hey guys, as you can see, we have a new setup here. We had to change it a little bit because the car was overweight. So we got rid of the old slide and fridge and put a new upright fridge in. It's really easy now, you just have to open the front. Lots of storage in there. Can get a bit tricky with off-roading, but I think we got it covered quite well. Just have to get used to stacking it. We also replaced the kitchen. We now have a big slide-out kitchen. Can just pull that out with heaps of storage behind it for all sorts of oil and stuff and pans, and then on top for food and some other things. Here we have our 2-burner gas cooktop from Dometic. It works quite well, and the glass lid is really nice, so you can cut some stuff or use it as a storage area as well. And here we have our cups and everything. That gives us also access to the bottom here, where we just keep some plastic bags and wrap foil. And on this side under the kitchen we have our cutlery. So I think we got it sorted quite well, and we also shed a lot of weight. So now we are luckily under the GVM.
Unfortunately, we didn't get to see any dolphins today, but that happens, they're wild animals. But we had such a great day out in the boat today. at the Nash Creek campground, which is in the Bunyip State Park. We've been here a couple of nights. We've just been hanging out here, basically waiting for the school holidays to be over so that we can head on to Phillip Island and check out the attractions without so much for the crowds. But this is a nice little spot in the middle of the forest, so it's been a nice little stay here.